how to remove bookmarks on iPhone home screen. So if you've added bookmarks to your iPhone's home screen, right, it's actually quite very simple to remove it. All you have to do is, let's say this is a bookmark right here, right? So normally if you wanted to delete an app, when you long press on it, you'll find remove app. But we are trying to remove a bookmark, and this one right here is a bookmark that I added from Safari browser right here. So all I need to do to remove it is just long press on the bookmark right there, and then just tap on this red button that says delete bookmark. So when I tap on it, it'll ask me, am I sure that I would like to delete it? So yes, if you want to delete it, just tap on the delete button, and then the bookmark will get successfully deleted. You can repeat the process for any of the other bookmarks. So if you wanted to add a certain, let's say, to bookmark, you can tap on the share icon, scroll down and select add to home screen or add to bookmark if you want to. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.